Stated capacity, which we define as the ability of a government to accomplish policy goals, it's central for economic growth. By the end of the war, more African Americans enlisted than white Americans. We argue that our estimates reflect a discouragement effect of Black men. In 1948, the military desegregated. The U.S. had very limited military capacity, only 1.8 million versus 5.7 million in Japan and 3 million in Germany. The U.S. government at the time really felt that it needed Black men to be fully on board. So this is just the raw data, no controls, no regressions, just the data. We find similar patterns when we look at Japanese Americans. They show us that discrimination discouraged Black volunteers during World War II. It reduced U.S. capacity to fight the war, and this highlights a new channel of the social cost of discrimination.